Nathia. Hey Roses. I just got back from hanging out with my dad for a few hours. We went to a town that is an hour away from me, and I went into their Walmart because I was curious if they had a different BTS one than the ones that I had, and they had Tear. So I picked Tear up. I also saw versions 1 and 3 and mine, which was 2. I was going to pick up 1, but I decided I would get Tear because I did not have Tear. So this once again is like answer and just slides off. Here is the CD, and also the notes thing. I don't know why that's in there. And then I'm going to do this so I can't see what everything is. Okay, I believe that is everything. So this was like the fake love concept, because I believe her was like DNA era. Jungkook and J-Hope. Taehyung. I love that picture of him in the pink. Suga. Bunch of Suga pictures here. Jungkook. J-Hope. Jimin. Oh, it's this audition thing that didn't come out. Jin. My bias. Jin is definitely my bias. And then Namjoon is like bias wrecker for me. So, yeah, she's got the track list, and thanks to everybody, like the thanks to everybody kind of thing. So, yeah, that was the photo book. Then it came with like another one of these stands, is what it looks like. Yeah. Picture of the guys. So this will probably go on my desk with the other one when I go back up to the house, because I like the idea of having these on my desk. Okay, time for the photo card. I'm going to show you guys first. 3, 2, 1. What do you get? Yeah! Oh my god! You guys don't even understand. I've been wanting a Jin card for so long. Oh my god! I'm so happy to freaking get him. You have no idea. And it's when he has dark hair too. Oh my gosh. I love Jin with dark hair. That's like my favorite whenever they do dark hair on him. Oh my god, I can't believe I got Jin. That is insane. You guys know I was trying to get him, and in Persona I got Jimin, and then in Answer I got J-Hope, and I got Jin. They're all J's, I just noticed that. That's kind of weird, but I don't care. I got Matthias, Pepe. Oh my god. I'm so happy about that. You guys have no idea. But, yeah, that was this unboxing of Tear. Put everything back like it's supposed to be. There we go. Here's how it looks supposed to be. So yeah, love yourself tier. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it's kind of random for me to do unboxing of these like once a week, but these are the ones that were available to me, and I get a certain amount of money from my grandparents every week as like a thank you for helping them out during the week kind of thing. So that's how I've been able to get all these. Because this one was like 1997. I have the receipt over there. So this one was like the cheapest one because Persona was $20.94 and Answer was $24.97, I think. So yeah, I'm so excited. I need to get my binder and those card things out so I can start putting the cards in those, because I'm just keeping them in the albums right now so I can get some card sleeves. But yeah, again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh, I'm so flustered that I got Jen. Comment down below if you have gotten this album and which photo card you got. I'm very curious, especially, and also with Answer and Persona, which album cards did you get? Because I didn't mention that in the other ones. But hopefully you all enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys soon in another video at another time. Bye, roses. Annyeong.